Well, it's supper time and it's kind of dark and gloomy and I'm hungry, but I don't know what I want. So we'll just go check it out together. See what we got in here. I know I got some green beans. Turning off everything so you can hear me. I still have some green beans. Have a flour tortilla there. A couple of tomatoes. Bananas. Those are getting soft. Lemons, lime. Oh. Green onions. Oranges. What's this? That is a white onion. And some chicken and ranch. Some bacon and chip dip. There's some cream corn, sour cream, cottage cheese, some yogurt back there, cheese, grated cheese. There's some bacon and pimento cheese. What's that? Oh, that's fried zucchini and some cheese slices. Blackberries, condiments, cucumber, zucchini, cheese, parsley, jelly, green beans, leftover tomato, leftover lettuce. What do we say? Oh, carrots and celery. Here's some bacon. And maybe a chicken bacon ranch. I've never had that before. Chicken bacon ranch. In a wrap. Maybe. I don't know what they put on it. I suppose lettuce. Just lettuce and cheese maybe. Ranch. Don't know. Don't know. I never had that before. Okay, we got rotisserie chicken. It's really, really, really good. Ranch. Flour tortilla. A little bit of bacon. Some lettuce. Cheese. Okay. I think that's what I'm going to do. I've never had it before, but there's a first time for everything. What do I start with? I don't know. I don't know. Cheese, bacon. Probably need a plate to put this on. There, that's good enough. I'll pick out a couple big pieces for Charlie. Charlie likes chicken. And some lettuce. And this is ranch. Oh, making a mess. Oh, making a mess. Okay. Whoa. Let's see, how do I want to do this? Yeah, that'll work. That looks special, doesn't it? Yep. There it is. It's going to be delicious.